Memorandum of Agreement, tali GMA Network o kadagkuan sa NCAA ang pormal na nga gipirmahan. Opisyal na nga makitaan sa GMA Network ang tanang sporting events alang sa NCAA Season 96 hantod sa 101. Si Argel Relator alang sa dugang detalye.
Formal na nga mipirma sa Memorandum of Agreement ang National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA o GMA Network Incorporated alang sa makasaysayang partnership alang sa NCAA Season 96 hangtod na sa NCAA Season 101. Kauban sa virtual signing, sila si GMA Chairman and CEO, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon o President Gilberto Duavit Jr. o GMA Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong o mga GMA Senior Executives nga sila si Chief Marketing Officer Lizelle Maralag, Senior Vice President for Finance and ICT Ronaldo Mastrilli, SVP for Corporate Strategic Planning and Business Development and Chief Risk Officer and Head of Program Support Reggie Bautista, ug Vice President and Head for GMA Regional TV and Head of Synergy, Oliver Victor Beltran Amoroso. Sa bahin sa NCAA, anaa sila NCAA Season 96 Policy Board President, Father Rector Clarence Victor Marquez OP, ang President sa Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran nga host usab sa Season 96. Present usab ang Management Committee officials o Policy Board gikan sa napulo ka NCAA member schools.
We are looking forward to show everyone, including our kapuso abroad, the world-class talent of our young Filipino student athletes. Rest assured that we will give what is best for them as we wholeheartedly welcome the NCAA into our home.
Ubos sa kasabutan, makitaan sa GMA Network, GMA News TV ug ubang platforms ang sporting events sa NCAA. Gikan sa Season 96 hangtod na sa NCAA Season 101.
The contribution we can give to NCAA is the very wide exposure, not only in our television but in our other platforms.
Ang NCAA ang pinakauna o pinakadugay nga liga sa Pilipinas. Gilangkuban kini sa napulo ka kolehiyo ug universidad sa Metro Manila. Kini ang Arellano University, Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran, De La Salle College of St. Benilde, Emilio Aguinaldo College, Jose Rizal University, Lyceum of the Philippines University, Mapua University, San Beda University, San Sebastian College Recoletos, o University of Perpetual Health System Delta.
This Memorandum of Agreement between the NCAA and GMA Network Incorporated is really an act of hope, pag-asa, committing the 10-member schools of the first and longest-running collegiate athletic league.
The first athletic league in the country and Asia deserves to be in the #1 network in the Philippines. Arriba, NCAA at GMA.
Gipaniguro sa NCAA nga masunod sa tanang sporting events ang mga safety ug health protocols sa gobyerno. Gisiguro usab ang kaluwasan sa tanang student athletes ug mga staff. Ako si Argel Relator para sa One Mindanao.